So I'm going to prepare my aperitif so that I can eat something, a tapa, while I cook today. Put that so that it doesn't slip. Right, I think that's okay. Let's put that here. And I'll start off by putting a couple of slices of the old manchego cheese. I usually buy this in whole piece, but this time I ordered some from someone and I was given in these sizes, which is okay. Let's just cut this off and I'll cut a couple of these. This is cured, semi-cured, no, it's cured, matured I mean, not cured. I'll just put that there. I'll be eating this in a minute, not this. And I've got some of this. I think it's like salchichon or something like that. These are okay. One of these, which is about that long, about 50 centimeters. It's only I think it's €2. So I like cutting a few of these. And we'll put them here as well. And I've got some of the chorizo. This is not a spicy one. So I'll cut a few of these also. Put them there as well. This is hard work, so I think it'll be a good idea if I pour myself a wine. Cheers, by the way. Right, what else? Some more chorizo, sliced one. So this, what you're seeing here is usually my aperitif while I make dinner. Another one of my favourites. This one also, salchichon as well. Just have a couple of these. And why not some olives? Get a spoon. This is for my new section, my new YouTube section. So I decided to create. Let's see how it goes. There'll be other things too, not only food. And today is fried eggs with leftover spaghetti. That's it. So, thanks for watching. See you soon.